Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you put soap on cucumber and the result will amaze you guys. It whitens the skin and get it fair, spotless and glowing skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home. We can prepare this effective remedy. The first thing we will need is one cucumber and shred it like so. Get the fresh cucumber juice. Once we shred the cucumber, we need to juice it. With a strainer like so. Get the fresh cucumber juice, place it on the side and shred one soap bar, and you can use any soap bar available for you. And we need that much of soap bar. Place it on the cucumber like so. Mix very well all the ingredients. Apply it on a skin that has no makeup or dust and wash your skin with this remedy. It whitens the skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin. Use this every day before you sleep in order to get the best results. It whitens the skin naturally and will get you an amazing fair, spotless and glowing skin.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.